The story begins with the inception of early electrical grids. These were characterized by their rudimentary design and limited capabilities. These initial grids were primarily focused on delivering power from centralized generation sources to homes and businesses. They lacked the sophisticated monitoring and control systems of today. The challenges were immense, ranging from inefficient energy distribution to frequent power outages. Imagine towns cloaked in darkness for hours, businesses grinding to a halt. Early pioneers in electrical engineering grappled with these issues, their minds buzzing with solutions. They laid the groundwork for future innovations, sketching diagrams by flickering gaslight. One such pioneer, a determined woman named Eleanor Vance, spent countless nights in her workshop. She tinkered with wires and dynamos, driven by a vision of a more reliable power system. Eleanor faced skepticism and setbacks, but her passion never wavered. She believed electricity could transform society, connecting communities and powering progress. Another key figure, Thomas Abernathy, focused on improving the efficiency of power transmission. He experimented with different materials and configurations, seeking to minimize energy loss. Thomas envisioned a network that could deliver power across vast distances with minimal waste. Their combined efforts, along with those of countless others, slowly began to reshape the electrical landscape. Small towns started to experience more reliable power, and businesses could operate more efficiently. However, the system was still far from perfect. Demand often outstripped supply, leading to brownouts and voltage fluctuations. The grid remained vulnerable to disruptions from storms and equipment failures. Despite these challenges, the early pioneers persevered, driven by a shared vision of a brighter future. This era marked the humble beginnings of a technology that would eventually transform modern society. It set the stage for the evolution towards smarter, more resilient power systems. Think of it as the first tentative steps of a giant, slowly awakening to its potential. The initial grids, though primitive by today's standards, were a testament to human ingenuity. They represented a bold leap into the unknown, paving the way for the smart grids of tomorrow. The air crackled with anticipation as engineers and innovators pushed the boundaries of what was possible. Each success, each innovation, built upon the last, creating a foundation for future advancements. The early grids were more than just wires and poles. They were a symbol of progress and hope. They promised a world where electricity would be accessible to all, powering homes, businesses, and dreams. This promise fueled the relentless pursuit of a better, more efficient power system. The challenges were daunting, but the rewards were immeasurable. The early pioneers understood this, and they dedicated their lives to making the vision a reality. Their legacy lives on in the smart grids of today, a testament to their vision and perseverance. The journey had begun, and the world would never be the same. The hum of electricity became the soundtrack of progress, a constant reminder of human ingenuity. From flickering gas lamps to the promise of a fully electrified world, the future was bright. The early electrical grids were the first spark in a revolution that would transform society. The foundation was laid, and the stage was set for the evolution towards smarter, more resilient power systems. The story of the smart grid had begun, and it was a story of innovation, perseverance, and hope. The early days were marked by challenges, but the pioneers never lost sight of their goal. They believed in the power of electricity to transform the world, and they were determined to make it happen. Their efforts laid the groundwork for the smart grids of today, a testament to their vision and dedication. The journey had just begun, but the destination was clear: a world powered by clean, reliable energy. The early electrical grids were the first step on this path, and they paved the way for a brighter future. The story of the smart grid is a story of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. It is a story of challenges overcome and dreams realized. And it is a story that continues to unfold as we strive to create a more sustainable and equitable world. The early pioneers would be proud of what has been accomplished, and they would encourage us to continue pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The future of electricity is bright, and the smart grid is leading the way. The early grids, though simple, were the seeds of a revolution. They sparked a transformation that continues to shape our world today. The pioneers' legacy endures in every home and business powered by electricity. Their vision of a connected world is now a reality. The smart grid is the next chapter in this ongoing story. It promises a future of clean, reliable, and accessible energy for all. The journey continues, driven by innovation and a commitment to a better world. The early electrical grids were the first step on this path. They laid the foundation for the smart grids of tomorrow. The future is bright, powered by the ingenuity of generations. Building upon the foundations laid by early pioneers, electrical grids began a period of significant transformation. As technology advanced, these grids incorporated digital technologies and communication networks to enhance their capabilities. This evolution led to the development of supervisory control and data acquisition (SCADA) systems. SCADA enabled real-time monitoring and control of grid operations, a leap from previous manual systems. The integration of sensors and smart meters provided valuable data, allowing for improved grid management. This data-driven approach enhanced reliability and paved the way for more efficient energy distribution. Power outages became less frequent as the grid could now respond dynamically to changing conditions. Engineers and technicians could monitor the grid's performance from central control room. They could quickly identify and address potential issues before they escalated into major problems. The focus shifted towards optimizing grid performance and accommodating the growing demand for electricity. Cities expanded and industries grew, placing increasing strain on the existing infrastructure. The upgraded grids were designed to handle these increased loads more efficiently and reliably. Smart meters allowed consumers to track their energy usage in real time. This awareness encouraged more responsible consumption habits and reduced overall energy waste. Utility companies could also use the data to better forecast demand and plan for future needs. The integration of digital technologies also improved the security of the grid. Cybersecurity measures were implemented to protect against potential threats and vulnerabilities. This was crucial as the grid became increasingly interconnected and reliant on digital systems. The advancements in communication networks allowed for faster and more reliable data transmission. This enabled quicker response times to emergencies and improved coordination between different parts of the grid. The development of advanced algorithms and software further enhanced the grid's capabilities. These tools allowed for more sophisticated analysis of grid data and optimized control strategies. The integration of renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, began during this period. While still in its early stages, this marked a significant step towards a more sustainable energy future. The grid had to adapt to the intermittent nature of these renewable sources, posing new challenges. However, the benefits of cleaner energy outweighed the difficulties, driving further innovation. This era marked a crucial step towards the smart grid of today. The foundations were laid for a more intelligent, efficient, and resilient power system. The lessons learned during this period shaped the development of future grid technologies. The transformation was not without its challenges. Upgrading the existing infrastructure required significant investment and coordination. There were also concerns about data privacy and security that needed to be addressed. Despite these obstacles, the progress made during this era was undeniable. The electrical grid had evolved from a basic system to a sophisticated network capable of meeting the demands of a modern society. This evolution set the stage for the next phase of development, the smart grid revolution. The integration of digital technologies transformed the way electricity was managed. It allowed for real-time monitoring, improved efficiency, and enhanced reliability. The advancements made during this period were essential for building a smarter and more sustainable energy future. The journey from rudimentary grids to digitally enhanced systems was a testament to human ingenuity. It demonstrated the power of innovation in addressing the challenges of providing reliable and affordable energy. As the world continued to evolve, so too would the electrical grid. The next chapter in its story would be even more transformative, leading to the smart grid of today. This was a period of significant advancements in grid technology. The introduction of digital systems improved efficiency and reliability. The groundwork was laid for the smart grid of the future. The electrical grid was becoming more intelligent and responsive. This was a crucial step in the evolution of power systems. The integration of sensors and smart meters provided valuable data. This data allowed for improved grid management and enhanced reliability. The focus shifted towards optimizing grid performance. The growing demand for electricity was met with innovative solutions. The advancements paved the way for a more efficient energy distribution. Reduced power outages became a reality due to improved monitoring. This marked a crucial step towards the smart grid of today. The evolution was driven by technological advancements. Digital technologies and communication networks played a key role. SCADA systems enabled real-time monitoring and control. The integration of sensors and smart meters provided valuable data. The focus shifted towards optimizing grid performance. This was a crucial step towards the smart grid of today. Building upon these advancements, the culmination of this journey is the modern smart power grid. It's a sophisticated network that leverages real-time data and advanced analytics to achieve unparalleled grid optimization. Smart grids incorporate renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, enhancing sustainability and reducing carbon emissions. Imagine vast fields of solar panels soaking up the sun, their energy flowing seamlessly into the grid, or towering wind turbines gracefully turning, converting the breeze into clean electricity. These renewable sources are intelligently integrated, balancing supply and demand with remarkable precision. Advanced energy management systems utilize predictive algorithms to optimize energy distribution. These algorithms are like the brain of the smart grid, constantly analyzing data to make informed decisions. They can anticipate fluctuations in demand, reroute power to avoid bottlenecks, and even predict potential outages. This proactive approach minimizes waste and significantly improves grid resilience. Think of it as a finely tuned orchestra where every instrument plays in perfect harmony. The smart grid ensures that energy is delivered efficiently and reliably to every home and business. Moreover, the smart grid empowers consumers with greater control over their energy usage. Smart meters provide real-time data on energy consumption, allowing individuals to make informed choices about their energy habits. This transparency promotes energy conservation and reduces overall demand on the grid. The smart grid represents a paradigm shift in energy management, offering a more efficient and reliable approach. It's also a more sustainable approach to powering modern society. By integrating renewable energy sources and optimizing energy distribution, the smart grid reduces carbon emissions. This helps to mitigate the impacts of climate change and create a cleaner, healthier environment for future generations. The journey from the rudimentary grids of the past to the sophisticated smart grids of today is a testament. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of innovation. This evolution showcases a remarkable history of electricity, from its nascent stages to its current cutting-edge applications, from the first flickering light bulbs to the complex networks that power our modern world. Electricity has transformed society, and the smart grid represents the next chapter in this remarkable story. A chapter filled with promise and potential. It's a chapter that will shape the future of energy and help to create a more sustainable world for all. Imagine a future where energy is clean, abundant, and accessible to everyone. That's the vision of the smart grid, and it's a vision that is rapidly becoming a reality. The smart grid isn't just a technological marvel, it's a symbol of progress and hope. It's a reminder that through innovation and collaboration, we can overcome even the most challenging problems. As we continue to develop and refine the smart grid, we can look forward to a future powered by clean, sustainable energy, a future where the lights never go out and the planet thrives. The smart grid is more than just wires and circuits. It's a pathway to a brighter tomorrow. It is a future where technology and nature work together to create a better world for all. It is a future where the power of electricity is harnessed for the benefit of humanity and the planet. And that is the ultimate goal of the smart grid evolution, a sustainable and prosperous future for all. The smart grid stands as a beacon of innovation, illuminating the path toward a more sustainable future. It is a testament to human ingenuity and our unwavering commitment to progress. As we continue to refine and expand the smart grid, we move closer to a world powered by clean, reliable energy, a world where the lights shine brighter and the future is filled with promise. The smart grid is not just a network of wires and sensors. It is a symbol of hope and a catalyst for change. It represents our collective effort to build a better world for ourselves and generations to come. With each advancement and innovation, we move closer to realizing the full potential of the smart grid, a future where energy is abundant, affordable, and accessible to all. The smart grid is the key to unlocking a sustainable and prosperous future for humanity. It is a testament to our ability to harness the power of technology for the greater good. As we continue to invest in and develop the smart grid, we pave the way for a brighter tomorrow. A future where energy is clean, reliable, and sustainable. The smart grid is more than just a technological marvel. It is a symbol of our commitment to a better world. It represents our collective effort to build a more sustainable and equitable future for all. With each innovation and advancement, we move closer to realizing the full potential of the smart grid. A future where energy is abundant, affordable, and accessible to everyone. The smart grid is the key to unlocking a brighter and more sustainable future for humanity. It is a testament to our ability to harness the power of technology for the benefit of all. As we continue to invest in and develop the smart grid, we pave the way for a better tomorrow. A future where energy is clean, reliable, and sustainable for generations to come. The smart grid is a symbol of hope and a catalyst for change, leading us toward a brighter future. It is a testament to human ingenuity and our unwavering commitment to progress and sustainability. As we continue to refine and expand the smart grid, we move closer to a world powered by clean energy, a world where the lights shine brighter and the future is filled with endless possibilities. The smart grid is not just a network, it is a pathway to a brighter tomorrow for all.